Stop it, you thought what?
What's good, Internet gang? It's your girl April
And Amanda.
and we're back with another mukbang
Banger.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, because every time we drop some lit bangers, y'all will be notified. We're going up to the top. We're on the road to 10K. And yeah, man, let's go. We finna just eat, you know what I'm saying? We finna just eat. Ain't no talking, just eat. It's a mukbang, right?
Right.
Okay.
I want my breast.
Even that.
We got some Rocky with cocoa with some, what was this, sausage pizza? Oh, that's enough.
Shit.
And some breadsticks, and I got some sauce that's in there. Babe, come on, give me my sauce.
Bird like a goddamn man. Hell no. Already.
I know why you burping, you ain't eat or drink nothing.
Shit, I don't know.
Give me the sauce. It's some sauce.
Oh,
in
some
there?
sauce, yeah. I ain't know it come with sauce.
Me neither.
This
I
the
just
secret
send it over
sauce.
here. Girl, you marinated. Comment down below if y'all got Rocky with cocos. What are you doing?
What?
Our last mukbang was a pizza. We got a pizza thing going on.
I love y'all. I'm just telling them I love them. Dang. What love?
You gotta do it like that. You gotta do it when you open it now. You gotta, oh. You gotta say it.
Oh.
Come on, 1, 2, 3, go.
Alright, we got sausage pizza. Amanda, she wanted the pepperoni. I don't eat pepperoni. I love sausage. Sausage is the best topping pizza ever. I don't care what nobody say. Comment down below if y'all like pepperoni or sausage. I like sausage. Amanda, she like any damn thing. Anything that comes
I like
her head,
pepperoni.
anything she put in her damn mouth.
That one, and we got some Arizona iced tea with lemonade. Come on, how you ain't even eating nothing. How you burping?
Oh no, chill. Let me burp. It's natural. Natural sauce.
Damn, they filled this up to the rim. I got a good one. Alright,
So I can stop it.
you gotta be quiet so they can hear. Listen. Oh my god. Baby,
Oh my God.
that's enough?
Yeah.
And I ain't give me a cup, I got me a wine glass.
Trying to be. It ain't even no goddamn wine going on.
That's how it be.
Ooh, god
Your
damn.
breath stinks. Stop burping. Oh, come on. Stop.
I think it's coming. It's coming.
That's some weights, boy. I've been lifting weights.
I keep burping. What's going on with my throat?
I got some tea because I'm on a diet. And I'm eating pizza. What the fuck?
That's cap.
Oh my god.
Them pizza good though.
Y'all, me and April always say we're gonna go on a diet.
No, never do. Girl, I'll be like, I'm going on the diet Monday. When Monday comes,
We just went grocery shopping Sunday and got nothing but snacks.
I'm getting mad to be like, oh, I thought you was going on that. I was like, I am that.
I don't want no big pizza. It's good.
I'm hungry. I had to go to the restroom at Rocky Coco. I had to let it go.
Come on, don't talk about that.
I ain't trying to talk about it, but damn.
You was in there for a long time. That's nice.
No, I wasn't. I don't for use public bathroom, but I called Amanda. I was in the car.
Okay, come on with it.
I'm telling them my story when I was in the car.
Cause you being nasty.
I'm not.
Yes, you is. They don't want to hear about you and your butt. Stop it, you thought what?
Got your ass. I'm just. But when I was in the car, I'm like, Amanda.
You ain't say Amanda, you said babe.
It don't matter.
They do matter.
That's a big ass meatball.
And sausage.
Good. What's coming again? It's coming again. It's coming again. Don't look at me like that.
Babe, stop.
Okay, don't stop. Damn! Why this shit so loud, babe? Why you look high as fuck, girl? Babe, what the hell you was smelling on?
It's the wine.
That wine got your eyes droopy. That shit got your eyes red as fuck, y'all.
Stop, babe.
Babe, look in the camera. Her eyes is she was smoking on that reefer. Babe, you was smoking on that shit. Why you ain't share? It's good, ain't it? Alright, let me stop talking from your sleep.
Please.
Damn, that shit stink. Don't do that no more.
You got me burping. You burping. How you do that? I know you doing that on purpose.
I'm not. I think it's something with this damn food. This a burp attack food.
Let me try.
No, don't do it. You finna. Let me get my damn food. Cause you finna do something. Oh, girl. How you do that shit? Do it again,
Burping mukbang.
Yep, burping mukbang.
Girl, you gotta drink a lot. I gotta drink a lot of juice to do that. Some people know how to burp on their own. You gotta drink it none, and I think that's what you doing.
I don't. It's just natural.
How, don't nobody just be burping. Like who?
Me. I do it.
Breadstick.
This shit good. We ain't just talking about it. I'm just
Eating and vibing with it, y'all. Y'all got rocking with cocoa all the time.
Breadsticks on 10. He's good. My stomach's gonna eat too.
I'm starting my diet though. Next year. No, it's not. I need to start though. But it's all hard. It's good. Comment down below what y'all want to see us eat. That's nasty. You blowing it on the pizza. I don't want no more. I'm good.
I'm eating my shit. I'm gonna eat this shit.
Cause it's your breath. Stop blowing your breath.
Your breath still talking. I mean,
I'm not burping.
What? Oh, I'll put that in the dip.
No.
It's dippy.
Stop burping, babe. But comment down below what y'all want us to eat. Now this ain't no everyday thing, cause I ain't trying to get
I want to do a seafood boil.
Oh yeah.
But that shit too goddamn high, y'all.
No, we do homemade. We can do it homemade.
We got stamps.
Food stamps. It's the food stamps for me. That would be good though. I did it one time. I didn't like it. It was just, I don't like it like that.
It was good.
I don't really like seafood like that. I do, but damn. Oh. All this bread, y'all. Your girl gonna thick. Thick. Off the bread. Thick.
Hallelujah.
Man, I don't wanna do it. I'm done. Come on! You doing that on purpose. How'd you do that?
No, I'm not. Excuse me, pizza. I ain't trying to disrespect you now, but I'm still gonna eat you. Ooh.
How you doing that?
I need to get up.
Wow.
Cause I feel a whole lot of shit finna come up.
Babe, come on, move. I'm done. I don't want to eat. I'm gonna just eat one more breadstick. And then that's it, y'all, because April got something going on with
I don't know what's
bro.
going on with me, bro.
Stop!
It's the damn food. You should not got this shit.
Throw up.
It's some fat ass meatballs. Why the fuck they looking like that? Babe, why them meatballs looking like that?
What? They thick and big.
That shit got my motherfucking throat going out of control.
No, it don't, because we ate this last time.
It is.
Chill.
It's a new location.
Chill, calm down.
Good, I can't even fucking focus and shit. I can't even eat my damn food.
Babe, you doing that on purpose.
I'm not.
Come on.
Damn.
That little dangling thing in the back of your throat. Stop.
I can't burp that bitch up.
Yeah, you is.
You think it's moving back there?
I don't know.
That's what Cardi B said. Do it be moving back there?
You got food on your lip. No, if you end up hitting it in my face.
Oh, just let me stop playing.
Teach me how to do it.
I'm not playing.
You playing. Your breath smell like shit, bruh. Babe, teach me how to do it. What you do?
Teach my Dougie. Oh, you want me to teach you?
Yeah, teach me how to
No,
burp.
I'm not doing it.
Babe, teach me how to burp.
See, this is what you gotta do. You ready?
Yeah.
Look at the camera.
Okay.
Tell them that you love them.
Babe, come on. Teach me how to do it.
Alright, look at the camera.
Cause I know that's what you're doing.
I'm not. I'm really breaking.
Teach me how to do it.
It's going. It's out of control. It's drop down.
Teach me how to do it.
Don't do it.
Why?
You gonna fuck my big meatballs up. That's what's gonna happen.
Come on, teach me how to do it.
Alright, I'm gonna teach you how to get it. But it ain't no teaching, it's just natural, babe.
No, it's not. Teach me how to do it, babe.
It is natural.
Alright, I'm done. Teach me how to do it.
Let me say one more thing.
See, she gotta drink juice. That's what I gotta do. I gotta drink juice to burp. That's how you do it, y'all. That's how you do it. I got it, y'all. This is a burping mukbang.
Bring your ass back in, girl. I'm not playing.
That's how you doing it? That's how you doing it? I'm gonna look like I'm 9 months pregnant if I do this. Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm. This shit fine. Y'all go get y'all some Rocky Recover.
See, why I can't do it like you?
Damn. That thing back there must be, it's nasty.
No, I can't do it.
No, don't do it.
I can't do it no. Then how you doing it?
Alright.
Babe, tell me.
Alright, I'm gonna see.
Just tell me how you doing it. Your breath look like it stink. It do, babe.
You do?
Duh.
Make a looking, yeah.
Do it.
I can't do nothing.
I know that's what you're doing.
I'm not.
You breathing in air. I see you. Let me see. Would you swallow it?
All you gotta do is swallow your ass. That's all you gotta do.
Come
Swallow
on.
your ass. I'm teaching you how you do it. Swallow your ass. No, you don't swallow your ass like that.
I can't
It's
do
your
it.
ass. Swallow your ass.
What if I fart? Alright, let's end the video.
That's a fart. Hell no. Hell no.
Edit that out. Stop.
No, that shit gotta go. Come on, my damn fool. Get that motherfucking shit.
It's time to go.
Let me cover up my shit. Don't move. Don't move. Wait till I turn off the camera.
How do you think I feel?
Let me turn off the phone.
Comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications.
Y'all heard that shit? I know y'all heard that shit. It was like what the fuck?
Man, my stomach hurting all that.
Y'all, she knocked the motherfucking machine gun. So every time y'all hit the motherfucking machine gun, pow, pow, pow. Keep the fuck down because she's shitting them bitches
Come
out.
on, babe. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on y'all post notifications.
Why would you just fart doing
Man,
the mukbang?
Amanda and Team April. And we'll be back with another bang.
No, it's supposed to be a prank.
What?
I'm burping loud as hell, out of control.
Oh. You said it was.
So what is it gonna be? A burping ass, farting ass thing? Burp versus fart?
Man, turn the camera off so they hear some stuff that I don't want them to hear. Please
Ooh,
turn it off.
they wanna hear. Let them hear that shit.
Come on.
Where the fuck you think you going? To that damn bathroom?
Yeah,
She ain't going nowhere.
Babe, no, for real.
You had a boo-boo?
No, I don't know. My stomach is like, it's warm.
Where the hell? Babe. Babe, where is you going?
Huh?
Where is you going? I swear you better not put your butt in my face.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Babe, for real. We're doing a mukbang.
I know, in the video, babe.
So that shit got you.
I got shit.
Y'all, Amanda,
she ain't ended?
I ain't in the video, I forgot. Ooh. But Amanda, she done using the bathroom. But when she got off the toilet, she said it was a fruit fly on her ass.
Girl, quit it.
Babe.
Babe, stop lying. I did
what?
I did not say
You did say it was a fruit fly on your booty.
Babe, come on, let's go.
Oh, did you wash your damn hands, girl?
Yeah. Oh, you want to talk about my shit?
Yeah, see, no, we're not finna do that.
Let's talk about it.
No.
Let's talk about how.
Okay, you wash your hands. You wash your hands.
April washed her hands when she left the restaurant today. Babe, let me see your hands. Sanitizer made me carry everything.
Because y'all want to know why?
No,
I'm finna tell you why. Because it wasn't no soap. And I don't know what the fuck was wrong with the fucking water.
And then she talking about some, she squatted.
I did squat. Damn, I can't squat. I'm gonna use on no damn toilet, on a public toilet now. But in this video, it was a prank video, kind of a prank video. I don't know, whatever y'all want to call it. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, turn the post notifications on, because every time we drop them lit bangers, y'all will be notified. Bang! Girl. Damn, I thought it was 4th of July all over again.
Bang, bang.
Y'all just stay tuned for the next video. Let's go. Comment down below right now. Team April, man. Let's go.
And Team Amanda.
Damn. We not doing this, babe. Let me in my video.
Why you in my face then when I'm trying to fix the table bed?
Girl, bye. Girl, get your shitty ass out of here.
You could have went in the room and
I don't need you. I don't need your shitty ass.
I don't need you.
My hands feel good, babe.
Smell my finger. Fuck you tomorrow. We're not doing this today. Just spam April. Spam
me in the comment section right now. Tell you April.